Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for any desktop PC build or upgrade, memory. Specifically, we're looking at the Arshray 32GB DDR4 kit. This kit comes with two 16GB sticks, operating at a speed of 2,400 MHz. It's a non-ECC, unbuffered DMM with a CAS latency of 17, and it's designed to run at a voltage of 1.2 V. Now, in the world of RAM, speed is king, but value is a close second. This Arshray kit aims to strike a balance. 2,400 MHz isn't the fastest DDR4 you can get, but it's a solid step up from older standards and perfectly adequate for many everyday tasks and even some gaming. The fact that it's a 32GB kit is a huge plus. 32GB is becoming the sweet spot for modern systems, allowing you to comfortably run multiple applications, handle large files, and enjoy smoother multitasking. Installation is straightforward. It's a standard 288-pin DMM, so if you've ever installed RAM before, this will be a breeze. Just make sure your motherboard supports DDR4 and that you consult your motherboard's manual for the correct slots to use for optimal performance. Arshray emphasizes the ease of installation, highlighting that all you need is a screwdriver and your manual. The 1.2 V operating voltage is also worth noting. It's the standard for DDR4 and helps to keep power consumption and heat generation down, which is always a good thing. Arshray is positioning this kit as a way to breathe new life into your desktop, promising faster program loading, increased responsiveness, and improved multitasking. In testing, the kit performed as expected. The system felt snappier, especially when running multiple applications or working with large files. While it might not provide a massive performance boost in the most demanding games compared to faster RAM, it's a noticeable improvement over 8GB or 16GB configurations, especially if you're upgrading from slower DDR3. One of the most appealing aspects of this Arshray kit is its price. It's often significantly more affordable than higher speed alternatives, making it a great option for budget-conscious builders or those looking to upgrade without breaking the bank. Arshray also backs this memory with lifetime tech support, which is reassuring. Knowing that you can reach out for assistance if you encounter any issues is a definite plus. In conclusion, the Arshray 32GB DDR4 2,400 MHz kit is a solid choice for those looking to upgrade their desktop's memory without spending a fortune. It offers a good balance of performance, capacity, and affordability. While it might not be the fastest RAM on the market, it's a reliable and effective way to improve your system's overall responsiveness and multitasking capabilities. If you're on a budget and need more RAM, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.